All right, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? All right, so today I'm eating a Dairy Queen Blizzard. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Even if you haven't subscribed, definitely go and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video. Leave some comments down below us on things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook, things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook, interact with us because we do like to hear from you. I'm gonna say Grace and get started. I'm kind of okay. Sorry, I'm kind of I was about to say distracted right now. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for nourishment to our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. I'm distracted because Yasmin just sent a text to the group chat. She called me just now, but I was just about to do the video, so I'm gonna call her back when I get done. But she's so funny. Okay, so I got a pumpkin pie blizzard. This is my second. Is it my second pumpkin thing? So I'm kind of behind on the time. Okay. Also, I feel like they start pumpkin season way too early. But I honestly think that they be having this pumpkin pie blizzard like kind of throughout the year for real, for real. So I could have got it anytime. But anywho, I really wanted something, some ice cream or something. And I was like, ooh, I can do this. So I'm trying to talk a little low because the baby back there asleep. And I didn't get him nothing. Well, one, because he needs to really have like dairy free stuff or whatever, really. But I've given him ice cream before and it's fine. Like he can have it in small doses. But also he was asleep. He's been asleep. I just left my sister's house. We watched the Browns game today. We won by hair on our chin, chin, chin. But we won nevertheless. I guess it's been a long time since we won a season opener, so that's awesome. Go Brownies. And we played against Baker Mayfield. He got traded to the Carolina Panthers, so yay. So it's pumpkin pie blizzard. What I really love about it is that, well, first of all, okay, the sun's not gonna let me be great today. I could turn my car around. I don't know. But it's like pumpkin flavored or ice cream or like vanilla ice cream with pumpkin flavor in it, whatever. And then it has the pie pieces in there. That's my favorite part. Mm. And it just seemed like it's pie pieces at every bite. And y'all know how I feel about stuff in my stuff. It's gonna be stuff in my stuff. I want stuff in my stuff in every bite. Might have to turn my car around. Oh, okay. The clouds are gonna go over the sun, so I think I might be okay. But you know, we really good in here. Some nuts. Mm-hmm. Mm. But yeah, when the bubby come back home, on them days he be tired, and I didn't make him take a nap yet today. So, and it was a little boy at my sister's house. One of her friends has a son that's like a month younger than the bubby. They had a blast. They was running all over the place. Mm. It's just so good. I just love the pumpkin flavor in it, or whatever the flavoring is. Cause you know, I forget who was I feel like it was somebody, King Shrats. He does YouTube now more, but I follow him on Instagram for a while. I don't know how I got to watching his lives, but he would go live on Instagram and eat. The start of me watching mukbangs before I actually did them. He does intermittent fasting, and he was talking, about how about pumpkin flavor, and does it really taste like pumpkin, or is it just like I'm saying, a whole bunch of spices mixed together like nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? But is that really what pumpkin tastes like? But I mean, if we think about it, if we want to sit here and analyze it, you feel me? If we talk about pumpkin spice, it's the spices that we put in the pumpkin, maybe to really enhance the flavor of the pumpkin. Mm-mm. But hey, I never tried this pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. Definitely go ahead and get you one. It's super good. Now, I really feel like Dairy Queen's ice cream is very basic. Okay. Um, Once I tasted like Cold Stone and freaking even graters and Jenny's, like they put Dairy Queen to shame. Even Sonic. I just think that Dairy Queen does do some good stuff with their ice cream. But as far as the ice cream itself, I definitely think it's very basic. If that makes sense, y'all know what I'm talking about? Like I don't think I'm not I don't feel like I'm going to Dairy Queen and be like, oh, I just want some plain vanilla ice cream. You know what I'm saying? It gotta have something in it. But it's other places that ice cream is just the bomb, right? I like devoured this. I got a medium. I ordered a medium before I even knew I ordered a medium. Mm, mm, mm. I'm so excited. We're on a trip this week. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do video wise. I mean, I may try to like do a couple extra videos this week or whatever, but I don't even know if I even want to take my laptop, honestly. I just don't want to leave it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to get damaged. I don't want it to get lost. I don't want to leave it nowhere. So maybe I'll just do like, maybe I'll just do lives or whatever, Pop on and do a couple lives. I'll be gone from, or for how many days? Like 5 days. And I don't want to leave y'all that long. While I'll be gone for 5 days, I'll probably at most definitely, if I don't do some extra videos, I definitely have a video the first day after I leave. But I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try to do what I can do to make sure that y'all get content. Y'all know I don't like doing nothing, not doing nothing on my channel for too long. And now that I'm, that I dropped the baby sucker over there. I'm trying to get back in full swing of things, being, active in the comments and stuff, and posting on Instagram and stuff. So we gonna see y'all. That's ridiculous that I ate that ice cream that fast. But I'm sorry, it's just so tasty. It was so good. It was so good. What was I gonna say? I'm kind of full, man. I mean, I ate, but I don't know. Like we had chips and guac and salsa and dip and like this French onion dip. And then we have my sister made sloppy Joe sliders and Philly cheesesteak sliders. And then she also made this like pigs in a blanket chili recipe or whatever, which was good. And then I had some of one of her friends is Arabic, I guess, because he said it was Arabic food. So he is Arabic. And I just had a little bit of what he had because I was just like kind of stuffed. But again, oh, ain't nobody comment. I don't even know. I mean, our video is kind of long, me and Mr. C's seafood boil video. So I'm not sure if people got that long, got that far in the video. But clearly my food stomach is full. Like I'm full, but I wanted some dessert. And so my dessert stomach was fine. I mean, my dessert and food stomach are now both full. But I was full from food, but I could still fit some dessert in there. Y'all don't have the same problem? It's totally a thing. I was trying to tell them it's a thing. So, but yeah, maybe if I just thinking through content, maybe if I go live a couple days this week instead of like posting a video, but still do a video, and that way I'll have that video like for when I'm gone. I don't know. Trying to get on B-Love level because after for a while you wouldn't even know that she was gone because she would just record a whole bunch of content at one time. Okay, also my nails. They are she did something called Gel X, which I feel like I guess I've been hearing about it, but I didn't really know too much about it. But she was, just saying like it's kind of really popular. People are getting it. It's less abrasive on your nails. It lasts just as long, and it's not it's just as durable and stuff. So and she said it costs less, and I said you should have led with that. So I got the Gel X. So we're gonna see how these fare to acrylic. I do like that it'll be less harsh on my nails though, because that acrylic, like even me having taken it off, like my other nails, I just took those off. I took them off myself instead of letting her soak them off and stuff. Because it does depend on people's techniques. Some people want to soak it off, so that means that's more time. And then sometimes they charge you to take that stuff off or whatever. Plus, I feel like for this girl that I went to, I feel like I knew that she doesn't like do her work on top of other people's work, so she would have took the nails off anyway, I think. So to just make easier or whatever. But yeah, like, cause for example, I know people, I've had times where I've soaking a nail off and they want to soak it off versus the last nail tech lady before she moved. Like one time she did take my set off and she just used like another nail tip and just got the nail tip under all my nails and took them off. And she just popped them off in 2 seconds. And like, I just need everybody to be like her, And it didn't even really like brood, you know what I'm saying? Like really look crazy. Like as far as like, if I had, ripped my nails off or whatever. But so I got Gel X, so we'll see. But I really love her work or whatever. Like I think she did an awesome job. I like people who paint the whole nail. Like I know that is such a pet peeve of mine. And like I know she did. Like she definitely did. Like there's nothing. Like she's like painted them perfectly. So all right, well, and at first I thought they was gonna be too short, but these are perfect. Like, but also it's kind of they so short I don't really need to know what to do with them because my nails before this were they were a little bit longer than this, but like I had for a while would just like kept let them grow a little bit and then cut them down. So of course they kept getting longer, and I'm like, anywho, I'm rambling at this point because I'm done with my ice cream. So I'm gonna let y'all go. And let me get the baby home and get him in the bed and settle. So I'm a peace out on y'all on that note. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook, interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. I'll just be rambling. Y'all just be sitting there and let me do it too. And all the while the baby's back here knocked out. Okay, you see him? He's knocked out. He's also smart.